Welcome to this SkillPad video resource, where we make learning simple. In this video, we are going to look at database management systems. Let's uncover the invisible force powering our world, data, and how it is managed. Data is simply raw facts, numbers, words, dates, like a single Lego brick. Alone, these pieces don't mean much, but together they build something bigger. When you organize lots of data, you get a database, a digital box where every brick is sorted and easy to find. Your phone's contact list is a perfect example. Each contact is a piece of data, and the list is your personal database. Databases aren't just random piles, they're structured systems designed for quick access and use. Think of data as single notes, and a database as the full sheet music, organized, meaningful, and ready to play. Without databases, finding information would be like searching for a particular grain of sand on a beach. Databases keep our digital world in order, making information easy to find and use. From your favorite song to your game scores, data is everywhere, and databases make sense of it all. So next time you search your contacts or scroll through playlists, remember, you're using a database. While data is the building block, databases are the blueprint. This organization transforms scattered facts into powerful, useful information. And this is the world of data, the foundation of our digital lives. Databases aren't just for tech giants. You use them every day, often without realizing it. At school, a database tracks your grades, attendance, and contact info, making report cards a breeze. Hospitals rely on databases to store your medical history, allergies, and appointments, ensuring safe, efficient care. Social media? Every post, friend, and like is stored in a massive database, letting you connect instantly. Libraries use databases to catalog books, track checkouts, and help you find what you need in seconds. Even banking, shopping, and streaming depend on databases to keep everything running smoothly. These systems handle millions of records, all organized for quick access and accuracy. Without databases, modern life would be chaotic and slow. They're the silent engines behind the scenes, making our digital world possible. Every time you search, share, or shop, you're tapping into a powerful database. Databases keep information safe, organized, and ready when you need it. They're the invisible infrastructure of our everyday lives. So, how do we manage all this data? Enter the Database Management System, or DBMS, the boss of the database. A DBMS is software that lets us create, organize, and interact with databases easily. Think of it as a super efficient librarian you ask. It finds, updates, and organizes data instantly. There are many DBMS options: Microsoft Access for beginners, Oracle for big businesses, and MySQL for powering websites. A DBMS keeps data secure, organized, and accessible, whether for a small club or a global company. Imagine running a business on paper, slow and messy. A DBMS makes everything faster and more reliable. It's essential for banks, airlines, libraries, anywhere information needs to be managed safely and efficiently. The DBMS is the bridge between people and data, handling complex tasks behind the scenes. With a DBMS, organizations can store, search, and update information with ease. It's the secret weapon for managing the world's information. Databases are built from organized parts, not just a big block of info. The core is the table, like a spreadsheet with columns, fields, and rows, records. Each field holds a specific type of data, like first name or grade. Each record is a complete entry, such as all details for one student. To keep things unique, we use a primary key, like student ID, so no two records get mixed up. There are two main types: flat file, which has one big table, and relational, which has multiple linked tables. Flat file databases are simple, but get messy fast. Lots of repeated info. Relational databases break data into separate tables linked by keys to avoid repetition and errors. For example, students and courses are in different tables, connected by an enrollments table. This structure keeps data organized, efficient, and easy to update. Relationships between tables make it possible to combine information without duplication. That's the power of a well-designed database. Building a database means setting rules to keep data clean and accurate. Each field has a data type: text for names, number for ages, date, time for dates. Field properties like size and validation rules prevent mistakes, like limiting a state field to 2 letters. Validation checks ensure data is correct. Presence checks require info, range checks keep numbers in bounds, and format checks enforce patterns. These rules stop bad data before it enters the system. Still, errors happen, like typos or swapped numbers, so careful entry is key. A primary key keeps records unique, preventing mix-ups. Validation and error checks work together to protect data integrity. Clean data means reliable results and smooth operations. Databases rely on these safeguards to stay trustworthy. With the right rules, your database stays accurate and useful. That's how we keep information error-free and dependable. Ready to design a database? Let's plan one for a school's science club. First, we need a members table with fields like member ID, primary key, first name, last name, grade level, and email address. Next, a meetings table tracks each event with meeting ID, meeting date, meeting topic, and location. To link members and meetings, we create an attendance table with member ID_FK and meeting ID_FK. These are foreign keys connecting the other tables. This relational design avoids repeating information and keeps everything organized. Each table has a clear purpose: members, meetings, and who attended what. Planning structure first makes building and using the database much easier. With this setup, you can track participation, plan events, and manage club info efficiently. Relational databases make connections simple and data easy to manage. Good design means less confusion and more useful information. That's the secret to a successful database. Now you're thinking like a database designer. We've gone from raw data to designing a real database, so why does it matter? A DBMS turns chaos into order, letting us store, search, and update information securely and quickly. It enables data sharing, security, and integrity, which are crucial for everything from clubs to global banks. The 5 key parts: hardware, software, procedures, data, and in database language like SQL, all work together. Databases power apps, science, AI, and a lot more. Understanding them is a superpower in today's world. With DBMS skills, you can organize information, solve problems, and unlock new possibilities. The world runs on data, and you have the tools to shape it. Think critically, ask questions, and build systems that make a difference. Databases are everywhere. Master them, and you master the digital world. The future is data-driven, and you're ready to lead the way. Thank you for using this SkillPad video resource. We hope it made light work of database management. Come with us as we journey through the world of technology for your learning pleasure. We hope to see you again soon.